Hey everyone, if you want to record videos using DroidCam, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use your phone as a webcam and record high-quality videos on your computer. So let's get started. First, install the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. Connect your phone using either the same Wi-Fi network or a USB cable, then make sure the live camera preview appears in the DroidCam client. Next, open your recording software, such as OBS Studio, Camera, or any video recording application that supports webcams. In the camera settings, select DroidCam Source or DroidCam Video as your video device. Now, adjust your camera angle, lighting, and microphone settings before you start recording. Yeah, good lighting and a stable phone mount can make your videos look much more professional. When everything is ready, click the record button in your recording software. Record your video as usual, then click stop recording when you're finished. Your video will be saved to your computer automatically. If you notice lag or poor quality, try using a USB connection, lowering the resolution slightly, or closing unnecessary programs running in the background for smoother performance. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a video using DroidCam as your webcam. Now you can create tutorials, presentations, meetings, or content with better camera quality. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the